Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how you can manage notification from Facebook Marketplace. Maybe you wanted to know on how you can manage notification from Facebook Marketplace, but you didn't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can manage notification from your Facebook Marketplace. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application. Once you open your Facebook application, you'll be directed into this Facebook homepage. To continue, simply tap on this Facebook profile icon at the upper right corner of the screen. And then here, you need to scroll down, and you will see here Settings and Privacy. Tap on this drop-down button, and then select the Settings. And then as you can see, here the preferences. Under that, you have the notifications. Simply tap on notifications. As you can see in here, what notifications you received. You scroll down and you'll see in here Marketplace. To manage notification of your Facebook Marketplace, simply tap on this Marketplace button. And then in here, you'll see these are notifications about Marketplace listings you are following or might be interested in. And also, as you can see, you have here allow notification on Facebook. And below that, where you receive these notifications. You can receive these notifications by push, email, or SMS. If you don't like it, simply tap on this button to turn it off. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can manage Facebook Marketplace notifications, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can manage Facebook Marketplace notifications, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.